Here are some last minute exam tips that helped me score a 97% in my board exams. Number one, prioritize important topics and do not study a single word that is extra because we do not have that much of time. If you were studying from the beginning of the year, read everything, learn everything, it is okay. But if you're doing last minute studying, you need to find out what is important. See question papers, see what your teacher wants to ask you. She must have made you mark important points in the textbook. See the back questions, use previous year papers, and just do what is important. Also, do not forget to see the official board's website for the syllabus, like the official syllabus. Number two, start studying in the reverse order, like reverse psychology. You know, when you're studying normally, you would usually read the topic, understand the concepts, then move on to the question answers. But I would tell you, read the answer first, then read the question, and then read the chapter, like the complete reverse order. Because when you're reading last minute, your brain is just not patient and you're not able to learn that well. So I would tell you, reading is not very helpful. Doing question answers is the most important thing. So I would tell you, just see the answers and read it. Get books which have the question answer format and learn the answers itself. Number three, it's important to read your own notes or your textbook markings because it really makes a difference. And it's okay if you haven't made it till now. I would definitely recommend doing it for your future exams. But for now, search online for the chapter you're looking notes for, or just check out my Telegram group where you find all PDFs for free, all notes, all subjects, all classes, everything is available for free. I'm not getting anything out of it, but trust me, it really helps. There are over 6,000 students in my Telegram group and over 11,000 here on YouTube. So don't forget to join the fam, subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturdays, and Sundays. I cannot stress that enough. Practicing questions is the most important thing. Read the question answers, do not read the theory first. But after you're done with the question answers, that is point number four, read the theory. Now, how should you read the theory? Should you read the entire book? Yes, I would say if you have 2 to 3 days left, I would tell you read the entire portion if you don't have much content to read. Then also go through the important markings that you have made. It's very important to take a highlighter and a pencil while you're reading and mark the important points. If not, point number five, a little secret hack for you. Join online courses by PW. They are very affordable and it is so convenient to study online. It is very quick and efficient. For class 10th and 9th foundation and board exams, I would recommend joining the Udan and Neve batch respectively. It will help you a lot. There are teachers who are available for doubt solving. The syllabus will be completed by the mid of January and the batches are starting soon, so just get right into it. Your preparation will be very fast track and you will be able to complete the entire syllabus ASAP very easily, very quickly. It's a lot easier than traditional studying methods. Like reading a chapter kind of gets a little boring as well. 2 to 3 classes are held every single day, so your consistency will be maintained for sure. Use my code NEH150 to get amazing discounts. Check the links in the description. Number six, stay hydrated, stay energized, take power naps. I would tell you to rest and then study. Do not study for 12 hours straight, it will not help. Study for only 2 hours in one go because more than that is just not efficient. I would tell you take power naps. Take a little break, use active recall. Active recall is basically a method where you use flashcards or you try to, recall yourself. Like you're not just, taking input. It's like once you read a chapter and you close it and then you try to say what you have learned from it. There are many flashcards and apps available online also. You could check it out, but it's not necessary. So I would tell you, try to just close the book and say it once on your own, and after you're done with the complete chapter, take a pen, take a empty sheet of paper and try to write down whatever you think is important and whatever you have learned from that chapter. It is very, very important because when you're giving the exam, the most important thing is to be able to recall, because most students face this problem that they've studied completely but in the exam they're not able to remember or write properly. For that, Revising is very important. Coming to the next point, revision is the key. Like, first, I would tell you to study chapters that you have already touched. There may be chapters that you haven't seen at all. So, I would tell you, do the chapters that you have done beforehand, and then come to the chapters which you have not done. अगर सारी चीज़ें थोड़ी थोड़ी करी हुई होगी ना, तो जब पेपर आपको मिलेगा, you will not be able to answer that well. So, I would tell you, definitely do that. Use visualization techniques like using charts, diagrams, point form. Learn answers in point form, even in literature. Yes, but in the main exam, when you're writing, you're supposed to write ekdam bada chada ke that you know. But when you're practicing at home, do not write so much. Just write it in point form. You'll be able to do it. Just before your final exam, write completely, like proper, like how you would write in the exam. But for pre-boards and half yearlies and all of those exams, I feel like everything works. Speed reading is very important. Practice reading at home. I would recommend using storybooks or even your textbook itself. Like, I would just read the textbook. It's totally up to you. Just decide for yourself, but keep reading. Read at least 5 pages a day. That is essential. Like, whichever subject you're doing, history, geography, physics, chemistry, maths, whatever you're studying, just 5 pages a day will make a huge difference. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and join my Telegram channel. Bye.